The ATMPC Android 14 tablet kit boasts an impressive 12 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, with the ability to expand up to 1 terabyte, making it perfect for storing large amounts of games, movies, and work files. Equipped with a powerful octa-core processor, this tablet ensures smooth multitasking and quick app management, providing a professional and enjoyable user experience. With support for Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 6, the ATMPC tablet offers exceptional connectivity, allowing seamless communication and internet access in various environments. The 10.1-inch display features a high-definition LCD screen with a resolution of 1280 by 800, offering vibrant image quality and reducing eye strain. Included accessories such as a Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, and stylus enable the tablet to transform into a portable laptop, making it ideal for productivity on the go. The 6,000 mAh battery ensures extended usage time, allowing for up to 6 hours of video playback and 10 hours of music enjoyment.